Devotion to the Blessed Virgin, to whom every Christian worthy of the name has filial affection and natural inclination, can manifest itself in very different and varied ways according to times and places. More, however, than having countless devotional practices, whether interior or exterior, what really matters is to be devotee of body and soul, with the intention of being all of Mary in order to better serve and please God. That is why, of all the forms of Marian devotion, the most perfect and complete is the so-called total consecration, a surrender to Jesus Christ at the hands of Our Lady, Queen and Mother of the Faithful. In this course of 20 lessons, we will present in great detail the doctrine behind the method of consecration proposed by none other than Saint Louis Maria Grignion de Montfort. It is a systematic study of the fundamental principles of the Marian consecration that aims, more than just theory, to lead you to fully live true devotion to the Blessed Virgin, and thus to respond to the call to holiness that God makes to all. What does it mean to consecrate yourself to Mary? What are its implications for our spiritual life? What must I do to be a consecrated person and live as such? Here are some of the topics covered in this spirituality course.